Client consultation. An in-depth client consultation will allow you to find out more about the wearer's lifestyle. It gives you the opportunity to explain the importance of attending regular maintenance appointments and go through those all-important aftercare techniques. It is vital that you perform an in-depth consultation prior to any fitting. This is to determine whether EasiRing hair extensions are suitable for the wearer. Questions such as, have you ever worn hair extensions before? Which method did you wear? How long did they last? What length were they? Do you know the weight of each strand? How often did you attend maintenance appointments? Did you have a full head or half head? Or simply, why do you want to have hair extensions? These are all great entry-level questions to ask. If your client answers yes to any of the following questions, then unfortunately we advise that you do not apply EasiRing hair extensions. Have you ever suffered psoriasis on your scalp? Have you ever suffered from female pattern baldness? Have you ever undergone chemotherapy? Do you have any allergic reactions to any types of metals? Are you pregnant or giving birth within the last 6 months? Or are you on any medication which causes hair loss? It is also important that you take your comb and section the hair throughout. Here, you are looking for any scarring, spotting, rashes, cuts, and breakages of hair at the root. If you're not sure of client suitability, feel free to upload client scalp images to hello@easiring.com for one of our trained specialists to advise. Stay tuned to EasiRing TV, where we will be streaming videos with tips on how to perform the perfect in-depth client consultation.